In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find any seller on eBay. Whether you are trying to check a seller's store, compare prices, or revisit a seller you bought from before, this process is fast and easy. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and going to ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar you normally use. Right beside it, you'll see an option called Advanced. Click on that. This takes you to eBay's advanced search page, where you'll find more detailed search tools. On the left side, click Find Stores. This feature is designed specifically to help you locate seller stores on eBay. Now enter the store name or related keywords into the search box. If you know the exact store name, type it in. If not, just use the closest keywords you remember. Then click Search to pull up matching seller stores. Once the results appear, simply choose the store you're looking for. From here, you can browse all of their items, check ratings, and explore other products they might be selling. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find any eBay seller in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.